Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best drone camera 4K available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best drone camera 4K, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Potensic C0 Single Axis Gimbal 4K. The drone is equipped with a 1.3 Sony CMOS sensor. It can shoot 12MP photos and 4K at 30 FPS HD video. The exclusive Shake Vanish tech helps to take more stable and smoother images within 118 degrees FOV and a vertical plus 20 degrees to minus 90 degrees camera. The 4K camera drone comes with 3 smart 2500 mAh batteries, the flight time up to 93 minutes. The fast parallel charging hub allows you to insert and fully charge 3 smart batteries simultaneously in only 1.5 HRS. The control range is up to 4 km/13,123 ft. The PixSync 2.0 technology ensures stable, consistent video in most shooting conditions and enables low latency for HD digital video. Atomsay drone weighs less than 249 g, easy to pack and store. With the brushless motor and the unique Surge flight control system, Atomsay drone can fly stable and shoot amazing images even in level 5 wind. In sport mode, the max speed can be up to 16 ms/s in 2.8s. The Atomsay GPS drone will safely auto-fly back to the takeoff point when it's lost signal or is in low power. Easy to control for all levels. You can have even more fun with features like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Flight of the drone. Dive into more flying possibilities. Number 2. Holystone HS440D 4K GPS drone. The 4K camera drone is equipped with a 120 degrees FOV and a 90 degrees adjustable lens that provides a perfect 3840 by 2160 resolution image. The 5G FPV transmission delivers smooth and stable videos even at high speeds or strong winds. Enjoy worry-free flights with GPS and automatic return. If the drone loses the signal, gets out of range or has little power, it automatically returns. No more fear of losing the drone. This GPS drone comes with a carry bag. The foldable design makes them easy to store and portable for outdoor travel. And with a weight of less than 250 grams, free from registration. 20 minutes with a battery for flights and photography. There are also different flight modes in the app such as Follow Me, Waypoint Flight and Point of Interest. Even novice users can get started with one click. A great flying experience. 2 speeds, headless mode, altitude hold, low battery warning. All these features coupled with exceptional quality make it suitable not only for beginners but also for advanced users. This product weighs less than 249 grams and is C0 certified. We offer excellent customer service. If you have any questions, please contact us. Please use under adult supervision. Number 3. Holystone HS720E 4K drone. HS720E GPS drone boasts a cutting-edge 4K 3840 by 2160 camera with electric image stabilization. Is technology, ensuring crystal clear videos free from blurring. Equipped with an advanced Sony sensor, the HS720E drones with camera for adults 4K elevates image quality to unmatched levels, outperforming others in its class. Experience stable flight, thanks to the integrated air optical flow and air pressure altitude control system. With GPS location and auto return to home functionality, you can explore with confidence, knowing your HS720E FPV drone will always find its way back to you. Elevate your airborne adventures with our Fly More kit, providing a total flight time of 46 minutes with 2 intelligent batteries. Spend more time soaring and less time recharging. The included carrying bag adds convenience, making it a breeze to transport and store your HS-720E 4K drone when not in use. Elevate your videography and photography with innovative flight modes such as Follow Me, Tap Fly, and Point of Interest. Watch your HS-720E mini drone with camera effortlessly navigate while you focus on capturing stunning shots and videos. Equipped with brushless motors, the Holy Stone HS-720E camera drone for adults ensures powerful, stable, and virtually noiseless flights. Experience the thrill of soaring through the skies without the distractions of motor noise, all while benefiting from extended motor lifespan and minimal maintenance. Number 4. New V13 Mini Drone 4K HD Professional. The drone is equipped with a 1080p HD FPV camera including adjustable angle, record wonderful moments for you all the time. Capture footage and directly saved. You can share the amazing view through social media with just one click. With 2 optimized modular batteries included, a total of 26-minute flight time is available. Modular design and USB charging cable make charging more safe and convenient. The altitude hold function enables the drone to fixed at current height. One key start, landing and headless mode guarantee the easiness of control. 3 speed modes can satisfy both experienced and novice pilots. Just press a button. You can try amazing 3D flip mode. Fantastic rolls and circle makes the drone more attractive. With waypoint functions, you can drawing a path at your will. When the app is on, the drone will fly accordingly. Grasp the fly skills easily and quickly. Features with 1 key return, emergency stop, and 4 propeller guards to ensure a safe flight. Kids won't be hurt by running propellers. And with the help of emergency stop, you can prevent the most urgent situations. Number 5. ZLLS G109 Max 2 4K HD Camera Mini Drone. GPS 1 key to return to the takeoff point. Low power return, no signal return. After the aircraft link GPS, open the app follow function. The aircraft follow the cell phone to move. 2 image following. 1 to 5 meters from the aircraft to recognize the shooting object and automatically follow the flight. Gesture shooting recognition. Within 1 to 5 meters from the aircraft, face the camera to make a photo gesture, video gesture. Route multi-point planning flight. The aircraft according to the preset route to fly autonomously. The player focus on shooting. Fixed point surround. Find the center point of surround. Then move the desired radius of surround through the joystick. Finding function of the aircraft, click on the GPS signal icon 3 times in a row to open the map interface. The map shows the last distance of the aircraft, latitude and longitude position. MV function, filter, video effects, add background music, image, video sharing,